Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a class archetype and immediately assigning core gear. This sets your playstyle and ability cooldowns. Once chosen, prioritize weapon and armor mods that match the class role so stats scale correctly. Make sure to invest CP where the class amplifies it. This is how you get the most value from perks. After gearing, spawn into a safe zone, attach any vehicle or companion, and confirm quick keys so your first engagements flow smoothly. Now you push into engagements and use your class toolkit deliberately. Initiate with crowd control or recon pings, then amplify with high damage skills, and follow up with sustain or escape as needed. You want to position so abilities land or buff allies. Good angles and cover multiply effectiveness. Once done, stagger ability use to avoid overlapping cooldowns and keep resources for key moments. If you lead, call targets and time your burst windows so teammates can synchronize follow-up fire. Finish by reviewing performance and tweaking loadout. If enemies outpace you, shift to defense or crowd control mods. If fights end too slow, boost damage stats. Once done, respec minor talents or reallocate CP to shore up weaknesses and test changes in a short skirmish. If things go wrong, first verify key bindings and mod compatibility, then restart the session to clear state issues. If a persistent bug remains, isolate the change you made and revert to a known good configuration before reapplying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.